Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, to be honest with you, there's not actually a lot to talk about. We're stuck in this high pressure sandwich as we've been talking about all week. It's high pressure in the middle and the sandwich, the pieces of bread. Tropical downpours to the north of us with easterlies pushing this way to Aussie, and in the south it's Southern Ocean showers and rain around Fiordland, westerlies blowing across like that. So fair bit of cloud around at the moment, very normal for this time of the year. We have a lot more cloud as the nights get longer. We've also got warmer than average sea temperatures around many parts of the country, and that creates a bit more cloud. So bit of a cloudy morning for some areas, then the sun comes out. And by the way, the South Island, you've got nor'westers coming through here soon, so a bit of high cloud, but it's going to get pretty hot over the coming days. So this is how it looks on the wind and rain maps as we go to Friday. You can see that high pressure sandwich a bit clearer. There's high pressure centre just there, but also another smaller centre just off the Taranaki coast. So there's a big sort of belt of high pressure in here. It affects most of the North Island and the upper South Island, and also bits of the eastern South Island as well, to be honest. But the sandwich part, the bread part, those are the showers up here and the showers down here, and they are continuing on for the next few days. So Friday we see rain on the west coast, maybe a couple of spits over into western Southland, western Otago, and perhaps the foothills of Canterbury. It won't be substantial, with high pressure sort of dominating. Into the weekend, no real changes. Saturday sees the same setup, but it will be a bit hotter. Isobars here getting squashed up just a little bit more as the Southern Ocean sort of wakes up a wee bit, pushes further into that high up here, and that just creates hot nor'westers back into the 30s for some parts of Canterbury. A real change for where you were on Monday and Tuesday with that cold southerly, and the North Island settled with a mix of sun and cloud with high pressure in there and light winds, although a bit of a light easterly continues around the upper North Island. And we'll end on Sunday where there's no change. We've still got the showers to the north, high pressure here, rain on the west coast, or showers as you go further up towards Greymouth, a bit patchy in that area. And again, a bit of spillover perhaps into the east. It won't be much, and it'll be hot again on Sunday. Temperatures between 25 and 31 degrees for the South Island's eastern side. In the North Island, perhaps not quite so hot, but a number of places in the late 20s still. It'll be a pretty warm day across the country on Sunday. That's pretty much it. By the way, we're also keeping a very, very close eye on the big dry. It's basically it's not an official drought, but we've got drought-like conditions now around the lower North Island. Concerning, Weather Watch is the only forecaster really sort of talking a lot about it, so we would love to hear from you. If you live in Wairarapa, if you live in Kapiti Coast, Manawatu, Wanganui areas, please do drop me an email, news@weatherwatch.co.nz, or you can click to it, the contact button on our website. That's all for me. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081 Country TV, or you can go to Country TV's website at, guess what, countrytv.co.nz.